Vivo introduced the Vivo Y37 Pro in China. The smartphone is available in 3 colors, pink, green, and black. The Y37 Pro packs a 6.68-inch HD plus LCD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness. The Vivo Y37 Pro has the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 SoC. It's paired with a generous 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The camera system on the Y37 Pro is a bit bare bones. It features a 50MP main sensor, a 2MP depth sensor, 5MP front-facing camera. The Y37 Pro shines in its battery life. The phone boasts a massive 6000 mAh battery with 44W charging. An IP64 rating for dust and water resistance. It is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan for the Seoul 8/256GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.